The first kanjis we have the onyomi, have three sounds. The first sound is mean go, gatsu, and the katsu. Go, gatsu, katsu. And the kunyomi au or au. They have the meaning of fit or suit or joy. So when you see something really suitable or really fit together, you can use the kanji of au, or you can say in onyomi go, katsu, katsu. Onyomi is mean from the original Chinese letter, and kunyomi is the original Japanese sound. So you have to remember both of the sound for onyomi and kunyomi. So the next, let's go to see some example of how to use the kanji of ao. The first example, tsugo. Tsugo. Tsugo is mean circumstance. Circumstance. Gokaku. Gokaku. Gokaku is mean passing exam. Actually, they use when you pass the exam. They will use gokaku or fugokaku. Fugokaku is mean not passing, but gokaku is mean passing. Goi. Goi. Goi is mean agreement or consensus. Agreement or consensus. In here you see that they will use the onyomi with another letter, such as you see in here the first example, you see the tsugo, the second gokaku or goi, right? So please remember that they actually use the onyomi with another letter. Gatsen. Gatsen. Gatsen is mean battle, fight, or fighting. Battle, fight, or fighting. Gatsen is the special sound of the kanji ao. So you have to remember. Some kanji has the special sound, so you have to remember. But actually, you just have the sound of onyomi and kunyomi only. Ao, ao, which means to meet or to fit. Maniao, maniau. If you read very slow, maniau, maniau. If you read faster, manio, manio. Manio is mean to be in town. Manio, manio wanai, not to be in town, right? Manio. The first letter for the express manio is mean the time or the distance, and when the time with the kanji of ao is mean you can fit with the time, so we can translate in English to be in town like this. So this word you actually heard when you go to work or you have appointment with someone. So you can say maniowanai, maniowanai, which means not be in town. So when you appointment to meet someone, you should